Hello, in this video we're going to see how to search for videos on the internet. Well, the first source is by using Google directly. We enter a general search, whatever we want. For example, we can type nature, just to name something. And we go directly to videos. Here, it will mostly suggest videos from YouTube, but there could be videos from other sources as well. Alright, here, if we want to refine the search, we have search tools like in any general search. For example, we can search on the web or only in Spain, pages in Spanish of any duration. Imagine we want to watch a video by Eduard Punset. But we want a long lecture. Okay, so we type Eduard Punset here, and in search tools we specify that long. And it will show videos that are 54 minutes, 44 minutes, or more than 20 minutes. We can view videos from any date. For example, this is handy for searching for news or videos, let's say from 8 or 9 months ago, and we want the latest ones. So, we can specify the last month, the last year, the last week, or customize the interval. We can select any quality if we are looking for high quality videos. We can also filter videos with subtitles, but note that this refers to external subtitles. Be cautious, because often people take a video and embed subtitles that stay within the video, so they won't show up here. But we can always enter subtitles or English subtitles here to find videos with subtitles. Now, we'll see that on YouTube, you can do the same. And then, from any source, whether it's YouTube, RTV, Vimeo, Dailymotion, 2TV, it will search across all platforms. If we want to specifically search on one platform, for example, if we go to YouTube, I've shown you one here, I'll enter YouTube from the beginning. Okay? Imagine we want to search for a video called Wear Sunscreen, which is a very cool motivational video from a talk in the United States, but we want it with Spanish subtitles. So we simply type Wear Sunscreen, Spanish subtitles, and here quickly, USA Protector Solar, Wear Sunscreen with Spanish subtitles appears. Moreover, this one, on one hand, you'll see it now, has embedded subtitles, which are these. And on the other hand, if I activate YouTube subtitles here, I can select English, United States. I don't know if it has more. Right now, it doesn't have more languages. Okay? But notice that it has some that are embedded within the video and others that we can turn on and off, which are YouTube subtitles. Alright, on the other hand, if we want to do a more advanced search, we have filters here. In the filters, we can sort by upload date, video type, whether we want to search for videos, YouTube channels, playlists, or movies. We can specify if we want short or long videos, if we want them in 4K for high quality content, if we want videos with external subtitles as mentioned earlier, or if they are Creative Commons licensed for reuse. On YouTube, videos can be uploaded with the standard YouTube license, which means they cannot be reused, or with a Creative Commons license. We can filter by live videos, 360-degree videos, or 3D videos. Special videos recorded in 3D or using 360-degree technology can be uploaded to view the entire surroundings. We can also sort them by relevance, upload date, which is what theoretically gets more user engagement on YouTube by the number of views or by the rating given by people. After YouTube, all the other video repositories are of much lesser significance. The next one we can discuss is Vimeo. Let's go to Vimeo. I've done a search before. Here we have Vimeo. Vimeo is much smaller than YouTube, but it started uploading high-quality videos before YouTube did. As a result, it has become a niche platform for people dedicated to short films, and it focuses on visual content. Therefore, we can find high-quality videos there. To search, we have the same thing, a search window. We type nature, and it will search for several videos. In theory, I have the adult content filter activated. I don't know why. I'll tell it all this just in case we have children or whatever. Here, I can view videos on demand, or I can search for nature in the video descriptions. I can also view by various categories, by the date they were uploaded, and there are more filters here, such as duration, whether they are Creative Commons, and I can choose the type of Creative Commons license, Creative Commons BY, which means you just have to mention that it's a derivative of someone else's work. Here, some licenses specify that you can't use them for commercial purposes. Well, all the licenses are here. And with this, we can search for videos on Vimeo.